who came to the class with paper and pen believe in writing, and those who came to the class without paper and pencil, they believe in writing here.
Bubbles bursting in my body. So I sent another one.
So basically,
Girls.
I introduced Nitin Bhaskar Sarvatra. He is a founder of Open Air Training Solutions. It's a Pune-based organization. It's working not only in Pune now, it's a national one and also international. So he's going to take you a class on training constructive career for next 1.5 hours. It's a thank you.
Good morning, guys. Morning. How are you all? Fine. What's up? I'm good. All right. Thank you so much for asking. I'm going to take your time to make this the most memorable day of your life. Are you ready? Yes. Are you willing to succeed with your strategic skill? Are you willing to never ever give up? Are you willing to learn and improve? Are you willing to have fun in life and do everything and yet not do anything in life? Tell me something. Yes or no? Which language are you most comfortable in? So here's my first blueprint for you all. It's called the blueprint because I don't believe in lessons, my friends. I don't believe in lessons. And I don't believe in rules also. Because we forget lessons and we don't follow the rules. What I do believe in is blueprints. Why? Have you seen a blueprint? It's like a building map or an architecture drawing something. So basically it's different for everyone. And it can be same and people can just pull it up and they can do whatever they want inside. So it's very fascinating that you can use a blueprint for your own success, derive clues from other people's success, do something for yourself, for your society, earn money, and do whatever. So I'm going to focus on, in this session, giving secrets to you, but those are going to be secrets for you because you know them. The people outside this room will not know them. Okay? In the form of blueprints. So my first blueprint for you, which is a secret, these all are secrets. And secrets should never be shared. Okay? Keep it with yourself. Share the results which you create from these secrets. Don't share the secret. But these are essentially, technically speaking, blueprints. Alright? So my first blueprint for you is number 1. Now as Shankar sir said that some people are going to write it, some people are going to just note it down in their brain. Alright? So the first thing. First blueprint. What is it? Read it aloud. What is that? Variation. There is something missing. What is this? You know what? The mental rule is that you have to Thank you so much for this. The mental rule is, you want it? Number one.
No need, no need.
No, no, no. So they
We can
will
go for
be
that
not
later.
here.
Okay, if you
After some
start
time.
feeling hot and then tell me.
No, after that sometime. After some time.
So, alright, so don't follow mental rules, follow social rules. Follow social rules. Don't follow mental rules. Now you're saying that what is a mental rule? What is a social rule? Whenever you're trying to cope up with your career, there are going to be a lot of mental rules which are going to disturb you. For example, what will the interviewer think? What will my teachers think? What will my society think? What will my mom and dad think if I end up doing this small job, labor work, something? It's a mental rule. Do you understand? Your thinking is mental. And if you follow it, you are never ever going to be successful. Never. For example, my mental rule says that in order to have a good seminar or something of that sort, I need an AC hall, then I need whiteboard, blackboard, chalks, and I need a lot of audience. I need more than 100, then I should be paid, then I should have water, which is obviously not there in this building. So I strive hard for it. So you have a lot of expectations from the mind. Don't follow them. Don't follow them. Because it's going straight to hell. Because you never get what you ask for in life. You get only the things which you deserve. This is where you are, you deserve no water. You go to, let's say, the White Mountain. It's very close, right? There's a lot of water there. But yet, it's not yet developed, right? So, do you understand what I'm talking about? Don't follow mental rules. For example, the rule is, you want a tie, you want polished clothes, and you want everything to be perfect, you want to learn the subject before giving the interview, you want to be picture perfect. Not needed. Just go, give the interview, come back. Just go, study, come back. You have something in mind, just say, stop. Do it. You know success, how much distance is success from you? Take the example of Jagitya. How much distance is Jagitya from you?
Half an hour.
Half an hour? In terms of time, half an hour. And kilometers? Now my question is, how much distance is success from you, from this place? Good question. If you find the answer, everyone will be successful. Think about it, tell me the answer. Interview.
No imagination.
No imagination, you can't think about that because you are not questioning about that because you are following mental rules. You have patterns of thinking. So you're not thinking in that way. So start thinking in a very different way. Remember me. Start thinking in a very, very different way. So I'll tell you, at what distance is success? In the Duramundi. This is the first blueprint. The second blueprint is the same answer for your question. Success stays at a what is it? You think about it, that's an idea that is just the distance. You execute this thought and you will be successful. The thought is just go there and turn it on and this will start revolving automatically. You understand me? That's basically your thought. So have very, very dominant, very positive, very influential, very expressive and very broad thoughts. If your thinking is weak, will you succeed? Never. So, thoughts, distance. So now what is the blueprint is, make use of thoughts, distance. Make use of. Right now, if this class is filled with more than 100 people, there are more than 1,000 thoughts. You know what is important for a successful person, he or she? That person who is successful is a person who uses those thoughts for productivity. Yes or no? Other people, what they'll do? They will just keep on thinking. What the person who gets first in the class does? He uses it. Now do you understand? Always use the distance of a thought. People think you use. You think you use. Be a user. You use Android mobile phone, you use everything. Be a user of your thought. So that's this key. If you ask me in bracket, it's like that. Be a user of your thoughts. For example, you sit with all elderly people. Elderly people talk elderlish, right? So they speak about, and then you think this is just childish. I know better solutions, right? Do you? But you don't have the guts to speak. Then what you should do? You must be the user of your thoughts. You must. Got it? If it's a wrong answer, it's okay. But if it is not told, it's completely wrong. If you speak, it's partially wrong. Yes or no? People, most of the people I tell you, very surprising. Very, very surprising. Those people who are in this are 99%. Let's say, for example, this is 1%. Can you see this? Can you see this?
Check your box.
Never
Not
give up.
understand once I'm saying it.
Never give up.
Disturb.
People who give up
Just keep quiet, girls.
are more.
Hey, Amai.
And those people who never give up are very, very less. I'll tell you a secret. All those people who are giving up, surprisingly, they are not trying to also. They are not. That means out of this 99, minus some x I don't know, is the people who are not at all giving an interview, not at all speaking, not at all reading, not at all doing anything, not at all sharing, not at all trying. Do you understand? Now, those people who are doing it is minus. So they try and then they come into this zone. And very few think that no, I should not give it up. And then they go up the ladder. So this second blueprint, everyone understood? మన ఆలోచనని మనం స్వయాన వాడాలి. ఎదుటి వ్యక్తి ఆలోచనని మనం స్వయాన వాడాలి. People should say, I thought that person did. Got it? Did I bring this chalk from the store? Did I bring this light, tube light and this stool and everything? No. Did I bring you to this classroom? You know what? Surprisingly, if I'm successful at this seminar, I'm just being a trust. It works. Got it? If someone says there is water somewhere, you should be the first person to go and catch it. Possess it. Obtain it. So water is nothing but wisdom, knowledge, information. Making sense? Now the third blueprint I get. To create a great career, and when you are creating a great career, what will happen is, you will face different things. Now I'll summarize it and very shortly write it. Very, very short. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? How do we write one? We write and this and this. What is the first letter of first? Okay. Now the full form I'm changing. F for S for obviously. Now T for. Yeah. But what to do with the thought? Use. That means you have to try, right? Everyone understood this? So what life will give you and me both is, first it will give you what? It's okay. It's okay. But it's the first step. So in English we have a quote. Failure is the stepping stone towards. Hence proof. It's okay, right? So let's not cry. Let's not weep. Let's not be saddened and disappointed. Second, what will life give you? Not will, may. It may give you. Let's look at it. And then, even if you have failure or you have success, you cannot give up on. You must try. And what is the surprise I told you? The surprising news is that a lot of people don't even try. You know what's the top reason? Fear. Fear. That. Right. This. People don't try because they The next blueprint is very important. The fourth blueprint. Everyone knows iPhone. That's it. This is a bigger technology. What do you mean by this? That means manam lenu. So if I'm over here, I'm facing 100 people or something, and I imagine that I'm not over, I am sleeping somewhere. And this is my dream. And to me, this is dream come true. Cool? Do this. I want you to close your eyes. Stop looking at me. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Imagine your bedroom, your bed, and you're sleeping on it. Okay? And it's nice, it's totally good. There's no work. Okay? There's absolutely no work. And now, you're going into a dream. And you are dreaming that you are coming to this college, and in this classroom, okay, and you have a guest lecture or a seminar or a boring thing, and you have to attend it, it's compulsory. So you tell the teacher, but the teacher says, no, nothing doing. Come and sit. Just bear it. So now you come and sit, and you suddenly feel that, no, this is something good. I should listen to it. Just go. Now, with only keeping both the eyes closed, try to open your slowly only right eye, and look at me. You are half in sleep, half in life. Because it's a dream, right? Now slowly open both eyes. Now this is your dream. Just imagine that. In your dream, if you die, do you really die? No. Okay? So please, if I kill you right now, don't feel sad. Now do you understand what is the concept of IRIS? People who are outrageous, courageous, they will come directly like this and they'll catch you and they'll get work done from you and they'll say anything and you just listen to them and you'll just say, wow, this person is so successful, he does all the things so fabulously. He's an executor, he's a manager, he's a leader. He's a poet, he's successful, he has money, he's charming, he's handsome. But what is the secret? The secret is only one thing. That he doesn't think who he is. He thinks who everyone is. He forgets himself. He keeps himself at the back. And he keeps all of his men and women in the front. Because he doesn't think, will people accept him or deny? Because no matter who he is, the society is going to accept and deny. So he doesn't think. She doesn't think. They come up, they do the work, and they leave. Just like a dream. And this is a dream. So if you get hurt somewhere in this classroom or the bigger classroom, which is life, it's all a study place. You study everywhere. Don't get hurt. Why? Because that is a dream. And if anyone slaps you in a dream, nothing really happens. Nothing really happens. So imagine and think that every single moment when you are not dreaming is actually a dream. It works. Right now I want you to dream this is a class. This is not reality. It is virtual reality. This is just virtual reality. So you will do gamification. What is gamification? You like to play great games, right? Because even if you fall there or fail there, you feel good. And you get up again. You get one more chance. You get 3 chances. In a Mario or something else, that's all. And you feel good. Life is like this. So in the real world, don't be afraid to take risks. Don't be afraid to climb 3 stairs away. Just do it. Don't be afraid to say that there's no water. There's no problem in sharing your problems. So the blueprint is very simple. We come. Got it? Very, very easy. It's absolutely easy. Now the 5th blueprint I'm going to share with you. Got this concept? First, second, and third. FSLT, failure, success, and 5th one what you will learn is that not everything input, processing, and simple. So let's imagine, yeah, over here you are, processor, because you are like a person. So this is you. So there's going to be some input and there's going to be some. So look at this blueprint, blueprint number 5. Look at my statement, how I'm speaking. Life is, was, will be negative. Repeat after me. Now when you say negative, don't focus on the word negative in the minus scale of mathematics. Imagine the negative of a photograph, that Kodak camera. You have the negative? 36 photos, all black. When you purchase it from the shopkeeper, there is no your photo in it. No photo. Not even your family's photo. So you go and pay 100 rupees, you say कि मुझे roll चाहिए, and then he gives something, but you strip it out and you see that there's no photograph. Look at it. आपने पैसे दिया, और उसके बाद में उसने क्या दिया? खाली चीज, कुछ नहीं उसके अंदर. तो this is life, correct? क्योंकि आपको वो चाहिए. मना करने कहा हुआ है. We want empty chances, we want empty opportunities, and we want blank pages, and we want blank plates, so that we can choose what we want to eat and put. Manamu, dominate. We want to choose what we want to eat, so we take a blank plate. If someone puts everything and gives to us, we say no, this is not what I want. I take from the world and put it over here, what I want to eat. So life was never positive, it is not positive, and it will never be positive. Because if it is positive, remember, it is not life. And that there is no life in it. అన్ని మంచిగానే జరుగుతుంటే అది లైఫ్ కాదు. మరియు అందులో లైఫ్ లేదు. If right now you are extremely successful, it is not life. And it doesn't happen. So life was negative, it is negative, it will be negative. Because it should be. Now I complete the sentence. Now the complete sentence is life was negative, it is negative, it will be negative. Because it should be. It should be. Because if it is filled now, you will feel very bad that I got someone else's life. Got it? Imagine that you are wearing your neighbor's clothes. Come on, will it fit first of all? So, would you like someone else's life, your life? You want to be a special you. You want to be yourself. Even you want to be your superstar, Who's very popular over here? Which hero? Which hero? Prabhas? Mahesh Babu. Okay, tell me 3, 4. Prabhas, Mahesh Babu, and Allu Arjun. 3, and heroines. 3. Tamanna, and if I ask all the boys, would you want to live their life? All boys would say, yeah, we would want to live. At the first, correct? But you know what? Boys will feel so bad after having 30 days spent as that actor. They will say he's such a bullshit life. Everything is acting. Everything is fake. And people love me for not I am, for what I do, how I act, how I show the fake things. So you feel very guilty. You feel very, very guilty. Do you really believe that Prabhas goes and lifts that shivlinga like this?
No.
And he carries? No. Oh my God. If he really could have done that, he would have won the strongest championship. It doesn't happen in real life. He has to take. Life is like that. You have to do, retry. You can never give up on trying. You can give up on failure and success. For example, I tell you, whenever I get a bouquet in a guest lecture, after more than 300 guest lectures, I've been working since 5th standard. 5 years. ఐదో తరగతి నుండి నేను పనిచేస్తాను. Full time education. So, when I get these good things like bouquet or something, I don't take it home. I used to. Then what I decided to do is, how can I return this to people who gave me or to people who need it? Then I started returning all the good things. And I am over here because I am returning some good things which I noticed in life. So make sure ये प्रोसेसर जो है ना ये बड़ी अच्छी चीज है. यहाँ से कुछ अगर गुड आता है, इनपुट से अगर कुछ गुड आता है, लाइफ इज नेगेटिव, बैड आना चाहिए लेकिन कुछ गुड आता है, तो इस गुड को क्या करो तुम, थोड़ा पास ऑन करो, थोड़ा थोड़ा अपने लिए रखो, थोड़ा पास ऑन करो। कैसे? शौहरत, इज्जत, दौलत, whatever, मर्यादा, good thing, whatever. So good comes, you give some good to output. Okay? Someone smiles to you, you smile to someone else, not that person necessarily, correct? Not that person necessarily. Someone loves you, you obviously don't love that person, you love someone else. Like that. But now coming to the harsh reality of the world. In your career, what will happen is you will get ऐसा रद्दी के भाव में बैठ पब्लिक विल से मेरा भी ले, ये भी वो भी, पापा विल से मेरा भी ले. So they will give you a lot of trouble. They ask you a lot of questions. Bad things. When it comes to you, you are a processor. What you have to do very intelligently is that you have to convert that into yes. And you have to still give. बस खत्म बात. Blueprint ready. Blueprint ready. Right? Do you get a converter? Converter. You put anything, you get that 5 volt out. You put cell, it comes 5 volt. You put it in the plug, 5 volt. You solar charge it, 5 volt. That means कुछ भी करो, लेकिन एक ही चीज चाहिए आपको, 5 वोल्ट चाहिए, क्योंकि उसी से सब कुछ चलता है. तो आपको एक चीज पता है कि लाइफ में जो चीज चलेगी वो अच्छा ही है. మంచిదనం నడుస్తుంది, కానీ ఎలా అది పాజిటివ్ వస్తే అది అలానే పాస్ చేయాలి కొంచెం, కానీ నెగటివ్ వస్తే దాన్ని కన్వర్ట్ చేసి I tell you a story on this, so you will trust me. Edison, how many people know? So, such a genius child. Manalage normal kid undevadu. So when he was very small, he got thrown out. And when he came back, he was having a small letter. And mom said, "Ki aur beta yaar," and she cried. So he asked, Edison asked, "Why are you crying?" Very small kid, he doesn't understand the word. Actually, what was written in that letter is that your kid is very naughty, very bad, not acceptable, and we cannot afford to keep such a notorious kid in our school, like backbenchers. So we don't want him in our school. So she cried. But he asked, "Why are you crying? What is written?" Edison, small kid. By the way, Edison has more than 1,000 patents. More than 1,000 patents at that time. Electricity, bulb. We can see because of very, very genius. Not educationally, but intellectually. So he asked, and mother said that, "Arey beta, what they have written is," and she read it in a very different way. Look at how negative to positive she did. She said, "Ki ee school lo mee kurradu ఎంత ఇంటెలిజెంట్ ఉన్నాడంటే వానికి తగ్గట్టు ఆయన ఫ్యాకల్టీ లేదు. ఓవర్ ఇంటెలిజెంట్, చాలా చాలా ఇంటెలిజెంట్. అందుకని యూ టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ బెస్ట్ మదర్." She said, "So you are very, very good, too good for being in a school, small school." So he got pumped up. He said, "Wow, my school said this to me. Wonderful, I love this." And he started believing कि ना school ante chaala manchidi. But the fact was that the school was his enemy. But he said he understood, he interpreted. Look at his processor. And processor ఏం కాదు, and processor inte. Whether or not inte బాగా brain, that is the processor. If you control that na, ఈ మొత్తం ప్రపంచంలో ఏ కావాలంటే అది దాన్ని మెజర్ చేస్తే 1/2 kg ఉంటుంది ఇందులో. దాన్ని కంట్రోల్ చేస్తే మీకు ఏది అవసరం ఉన్నా దొరుకుతుంది. ఇట్స్ వెరీ ఫ్యాసినేటింగ్. సో హీ గాట్ కన్విన్స్డ్ కి నాతోని అన్ని పాజిటివ్ జరుగుతున్నాయి అన్న ఫీలింగ్ అతనికి వస్తుంది. వచ్చినప్పుడు వాడు he is doing all what things? He is doing all positive. And slowly that good started becoming great. And that great started becoming and he became a మెల్లిగా చెప్తాను, అర్థమయ్యేది. ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడికి మనకు అందరికి వెళ్ళాలని ఉంటుంది ఆశ, కానీ అక్కడ జంప్ రాలేదు. Come to the terrace, everyone will wish, but from the parking directly we cannot come to the terrace. It's manually not possible. With a lift it is. Manually it is not possible. So పరిజ్ఞానం అనేది జ్ఞానం నుండే వెళ్ళాలి. సో గుడ్నెస్ తో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది జర్నీ, గుడ్నెస్ తో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. కానీ అది గుడ్నెస్ ఎక్కడి నుండి వస్తుంది ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ, ఎందుకంటే అక్కడ నుండే రావాలని. అక్కడ నుండి రాకపోతే అది యాక్చువల్లీ దాని సోర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఒరిజినేషన్ కాదు. అంటే మామిడి పండు తీసుకొని ఇది మామిడి పండుతోనే వచ్చింది అని అంటే నీకు ఇట్ కేమ్ అవుట్ ఫ్రమ్ సమ్ సీడ్. దట్ సీడ్ బికేమ్ సంథింగ్, ఓవర్ ఇయర్స్ ఇట్ గాట్ కల్టివేటెడ్ అండ్ దెన్ ఇట్ కేమ్ అవుట్. So the seed of everything is, remember, that's the sixth blueprint. Seed is always, what is this? Do you ever see, yeah, do you ever see this big a seed? नहीं ना, but इससे भी बड़ा पेड़ दिखता है. ఒక చిన్న ఆలోచన అలాగే ఉంటుంది, చిన్న ఆలోచన, చిన్న చిన్న అంటే అది ఎంత చిన్నదంటే ఇప్పుడు నాకు కొన్ని నీళ్ళు కావాలి. దట్ ఈస్ అ స్మాల్ థాట్. అండ్ రిమెంబర్ ఫస్ట్ వాట్ ఐ థాట్, ఇట్స్ వెరీ డేంజరస్. యూ కెన్ క్రియేట్ యువర్ సక్సెస్ ఇన్ యువర్ కెరీర్. ఆ చిన్న ఆలోచన, ఆ సీడ్. సో ద సిక్స్త్ బ్లూప్రింట్ ఇస్ ద సేమ్. Seed is always small. And what is the seed? It's your small part. ఇలా చేస్తే ఎలా ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ ఆలోచిస్తున్నాను. వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత ఆ విశ్వాసం ఎందుకు అలాగే లేదు, పడిపోలేదు. Never give up. You keep on trying. And I wrote something. And never give up. ఎందుకంటే ఆ స్వయం ఎడిసన్ని కొంచెం ఆ పర్సనాలిటీ తేడా ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి 10,000 సార్లు ఏం చేశాడు? ఈ నెవర్ గివ్ అప్ ఆన్ ట్రైయింగ్. He never ever gave up on trying. వానికి దొరకలే, ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ దొరకలేదు, ఫెయిల్యూర్. సెకండ్ పాయింట్ దొరకలేదు, సక్సెస్. తర్వాత ఫెయిల్యూర్ దొరికింది, తర్వాత సక్సెస్. ముందైతే ఏం అర్థమే కాలేదండి, నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నా, ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నా, లైట్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, ఏంటి. He did not understand what is failure, what is. Then he understood what is failure. Then he understood what is success. ఆ బల్బ్ తర్వాత వాడు థర్డ్ స్టెప్ ని ఫాలో చేశాడు. He kept on trying different things and new things and 1,000 different patents, products he invented. అంటే పరాజయం జయం వచ్చినా కానీ కెరీర్లో అక్కడ ఆగకూడదు. సక్సెస్ అండ్ ఫెయిల్యూర్ బోత్ ఆర్ డేంజరస్. అవునా కదా? రైట్ నో యువర్ సక్సెస్ పాయింట్ ఇస్ దట్ ఈ క్లాస్ రూమ్లోకి వెళ్ళి బయటకు వెళ్ళాలంటే ఆ మార్క్స్ నేను తెచ్చుకోవాలి. కానీ అది వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఇంటికి పోయి పంటమా, ఇది పంటమా కాదు, దానికి ముందుగా ఉంటుంది. సో ఈవెన్ దాట్ ఈస్ అ డేంజరస్ థింగ్ టు స్టాప్ అట్. అటు నుండి ముందెళ్ళాలి. సో ద థర్డ్ థింగ్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్, కీప్ ఆన్. అండ్ సిక్స్త్ బ్లూ ప్రింట్ యూ షుడ్ ఆల్వేస్ రిమెంబర్. చిన్న చిన్న ఆలోచన చాలా పెద్ద విషయాన్ని సో బలహీనంగా కాకపోతే బలవంతంగా తయారు చేస్తుంది. ఇలా ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీరు స్టడీకి ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నారు, మమ్మీ అంటుంది పేపర్లో పాస్ అవుతాం, ఇలా అనగానే మీకు ఏమర్థం కాదంటే పాస్ అవ్వాలి, మమ్మీ చెప్తుంది పోయి ఇవ్వాలని పాస్. ఎక్కడో కోరిక ఉంటుందని ఆ ఆశ, దేర్ ఇస్ నో టెక్నాలజీ, కానీ అది పనిచేస్తుంది. ఎలా అంటే దట్స్ అ థాట్. ఇట్ వాస్ అ సీడ్, చిన్న సీడ్. Your mom put it in you and it started growing now. And it became success. Because from negative it became good, then great, then givable, then you became Jesus. Keep it up. This is very important. Givable ante enti? Sixth rule chepta. Sixth rule. Seventh. I tell this. It's a quotation which you can all remember, and it's very important to look at sequence.
I'll introduce our line members for a while, and the principals are also coming.
So should I take a pause?
A small break.
Yeah, sure.
You can have some water.
Yeah. Yeah. ఇప్పుడు మీరేం చేస్తారంటే నోట్స్ తీసుకోండి ఎన్ని విషయాలు చెప్పాను
Those who have papers, in papers, and don't have papers, you bring.